Hello everybody, it's us again. Well, guess where we are? Yeah, it'll take a lot of guessing, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, what have you done to your hat? Hang on a minute. Oops, Daisy. Took a few photographs as well there. Anyway, we arrived a couple of minutes ago, didn't we, mate? Just as the Pendo was arriving, which was good, that was the Virgin Glory. Then on the other side, we've got a Northern Line train. There's one carriage on platform 4, which is a bit peculiar. We're guessing that's on its way to Morecambe. While we were sat here trying to get the video working, a Pendog was whizzed through, didn't it, at the speed of lightning. And then just now when we turned the video on, you just saw it, the Barrow train just came in. So it's all go here at the station. Hey, isn't it, Tobes? Blooming is, dude, blooming is. So, we'll say bye-bye for now.
The next train at platform 5
Have a nice evening.
terminates here.
Oh.
This train is the service from Carlisle. This train will terminate here.
That's not good, is it? It's going to have a Terminator. Wonder if it'll ever come back. Huh? We don't know, do we not? Oh, there goes the Barrow train. Bye-bye, Barrow train. Okay, better turn the video off, it's too long. Bye, everybody.